This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? The annoying reviewer is back. This time I'm gonna test the Korean cars. I realized I haven't tested them before in auto parking. The Kia or the Hyundai, I don't know, either they didn't have it when I tested them or I never tested them, but here we have Hyundai Ioniq 9. It's the flagship from Hyundai, so of course it has auto parking-ish. We need to test it. It's a big car, it's a proper SUV. Some people claim it's a minivan. What is the definition of minivan anyway? It actually has the dimension of a Model X, and then nobody calls a Model X a minivan, right? So yeah, we have some low sun. It's mid of, well actually it's 25th of November. So let's see if the low sun makes any problem for the for the parking. But yeah, so if we just start driving now, I see that many spots are taken, so that will also be interesting. Trying to squeeze this big black thing in between the slots here. Okay, I see one slot over there. Okay, let me try. So if I do this, okay, there's a button here, shoop, and then it says press button to display the camera view or press and hold to activate the button. Wait, I was reading something here. No, can you just keep the thing on so I can try press it again? Okay, press the button. Hold. Wait, press and hold. Wait. What was that? Press and hold again. Press and hold this maybe. There. Okay. Yeah. You see now we get this user interface. Searching for parking space. So we have the split view where we have the 360 camera here and then the what they will display here, but they don't overlay, which is not ideal. There is a spot I can see to my left here. Will the car find it? It's right here. Seems like we need to do the driving before it finds it. It doesn't instantly find it, unfortunately. There, stop. Okay, found something. All right, select parking type. Well, is there much we can select? And then we have to press and hold this button here and it does the whole thing for you. If you release, it will stop the parking. It marks on the 360 camera there where it wants to go. It blinks to the left, that's good. The Volvo behind wants to pull out. Oh, no, stop. This is the problem. Okay, resume. Well, let's wait for them to go out first. Okay, another approach. I'm gonna try that spot over there. It's scanning. Seems like it needs to always scan past that spot before it measures everything and finds out that that is a suitable spot. Not sure how fast I should be driving, but it should find it soon. Wait, or maybe not. Dude, you just went right past the prime spot there. Shit, man. Now another car behind is gonna get the spot. Okay, so there's one spot there and then actually another spot there that I initially tried. So let's just go straight ahead here. Will it find it? 9? Nicht finden? Okay. Maybe it's a low sun that messes up things because I'm just driving right past this spot right now. You see, it's clear, big enough. Seems that the car won't find it. What? Yes, finally found it. Okay, select parking type. What kind of? Huh? Can you do back in? No. Okay, whatever. There's only one option. Press and hold the dead man switch. Now you can release, and they will do all the movements for you. But this is the auto parking thing. It needs to, like, if I let go now, it stops. See, and then I have to resume. Yeah, so very much of a auto parking. But this is what I tested last night. Is that it will always do this, goes a little bit back, and then it goes forward again. Even when the parking spot was completely empty, it couldn't just go in the first backup run. It will always have to jiggle back and forth like this and do the wheel movement while stationary. Oh, some people are cringing. Okay, at least now it should be able to squeeze it in there. It goes quite slow though. Holy shit balls. X-Banging Neo is way faster than this. And then there's cars waiting here. They'll be like, shit, what the heck is that noob doing? Okay, yeah. I'm using the auto parking. Oh, it's gonna tighten. Oh, it's the big car. The car is big. Oh, okay. Press and hold the huh? Again? What? Again? Moving forward. Hey, why are you going forward? Dude, there's a guy backing up there. Salt. Huh? What? Why did they want to jiggle in here again? Shit, man. How many tries do you need? You want to jiggle around the... Oh! Moving forward. What the heck, man? What are you doing? Are you not done with the parking yet? What the heck is this shit? Is this Korean parking style? Is this how they do it in Korea, man? You just jiggle in and out? Okay, are you done now? Yes! Yes! Wait, it's a white car there. No, it's not a white car there. Shit! Okay, and then now when I want to go out, can I press and hold here? Dude. Okay, there is remote parking. Yes, but I'm not gonna test that now. You can actually let the car park for you. Man, that beeping is annoying. But can it? Can the bro pull out for me? What is this? Oh, oh yeah. Why is the car white? It's not white. It's dark gray. You see, it parks so close now, so the other guys won't get in. Okay, I'm gonna go out now. Okay, let me go out now, so they can get in. Yeah, they have kids and stuff there, right? So I mean, it kind of worked, but it ain't good in it. Okay, let's try parallel parking. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. I had to start. I need to initiate the scan. Yeah, okay. So you have to go there always, and then you're going to scan mode. Let me just check here. Are we clear? No, there's a BMW coming. Just wait for him to pass. Okay, now we go. Start scanning. Oh, this spot is not available. The spot behind the Toyota is available. Wait, you found... Dude, what did you find? 9? You can't park over there? Are you crazy, man? Okay, let me try here again. How did the car decide that this spot would be great? Because like I mentioned, there's traffic behind me. Okay, no, they're going in. Okay, they're going there. Okay, good. I'm just gonna show you guys again. I'm gonna do another approach past the spot, and you will see that it's not very suitable. So there, the car wanted to park there. Okay, if I do this again, press and hold, activate the search. Okay. No, that spot is not big enough for this big ass car, and there's a trailer in the way there. I mean, no, dude, no, you can't park there. No, cousin, stop that shit, man. Okay, scan. Yeah, you see, I'm spending too long. The guys, they just start overtaking me. That's fine. Okay, just don't mind me. I'm just doing my own shit here. Okay, behind that Toyota, then at least. Not sure how far past it I need to drive. It's a nice spot here. Huh? Look at that. Huh? Wait. Okay, you need to, of course, dummy, you need to drive way past it before it detects the spot. Wait. How far do we need to drive? Bro, it's right there. It's right there, the spot. You can't find it? Okay, what about the next here? There's a Volvo EX30 over here. Okay. The spot there, prime spot right in front of it. I need help. Hilfe! Can't do it myself. I'm Asian. Dude. Okay, the car can park. Okay. Let me try another direction. How about this direction then? Okay. Maybe then it will find it. I need to scan past that spot. Maybe, okay, there's some traffic coming here. I need to signal that I'm gonna go in. Okay, he just took the spot I wanted, but whatever, I'm gonna try. Dude, I just can't find the parallel spots. How am I supposed to demonstrate the parallel spots? Okay, I gave up on that, but let's try these spots that have cars parked, but I need to scan. There. but no markings on the ground. Will it find it? You see there, these are prime spots. It seems like the system cannot detect them. It will detect spots that are not suitable for parking, yes. But prime spots like here, as long as there are no lines, then the car can't help you. Oh, they found it! Yes, yes, finally! What is that on top of the? Wait, dude. Okay, it starts parking. All right. Where? Looks like I'm supposed to park right on top of the van behind us. Are you serious? No, it's just the viewing point is a bit weird. Whoa. Okay, it's fine. Just have to check it. Okay, it found it. It found the spot. Nice. Wait, you're a little bit off there, bro. There's plenty of space in front here. You could have done the initial angle first and then go in on the first time. No, they just want to jiggle it in and out. Okay, interesting. It wants to park next to the van. Oh, it's super freaking tight, man. Dude, what? Why do you park so close to the van? Oh, shit. What? What the heck? I need to show you guys what it looks like here. So, yes. Korean tech is awesome, right? So it decides to park like this. Is this okay? I don't know about you guys, but it seems like, okay, I think I'm done testing now. It's just too much face palm, but it requires a true non-clickbaity face palm, which is this, and then, oh shit, this is so bad, man. This is so bad. Even the Germans are better, and of course the Chinese, they kick ass. No, I forgot, sorry. Actually, the Mercedes CLA is the best. And then second best is Toyota BZ4X. And then this, if I were to give points, are we talking about signed or unsigned values here? Not sure. Maybe 2 out of 10. It does something at least. 3 out of 10 maybe. It will do the auto parking. It's just a bit slow. But at least you don't have to. You don't have to drive forward and backwards, or you don't have to throttle, but you just have to press and hold a button. So, yeah, I think around 2 or 3 out of 10. Yeah, what do you guys think? Huh? How many scores? Okay, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.